težko pozabiti. Prav v Planici je leta 2007 ob tem padcu mnogim zastal dih.
Moja osebna napaka, tako bom rekel. Prezgoden skok in potem posledice. Drugačen napadec gledam čisto tako kot nek del kariere.
Dogodki, ki jih bo težko pozabiti. Prav v Planici je leta 2007 ob tem padcu mnogim zastal dih.
You learn then later that you always need something, you need that respect, and for sure that at that moment I was missing that, and yeah, just mistakes from my side. Physically it was not like actually really bad. I broke I think just my nose, but then had pretty serious brain concussions, and that was somehow the worst damages.